Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the uwant X100 Cordless All-in-One Floor Cleaner. It is a versatile, all-in-one floor cleaner that can clean both wet and dry messes easily without having to manually clean with your hands. The product packing looks good and professional. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one uwant floor cleaning liquid, for you to use on your floors. A cleaning brush is included for cleaning, along with a spare heap filter for the wastewater tank. A measuring cup is included, along with a user guide to guide users on the product operation. Next out we have the uwant X100 floor cleaner, along with a power adapter to charge up the cleaner. A spare brush roll is provided, along with a vacuum handle to install on the floor cleaner. A charging mount for installation on the uwant docking base is included for recharging purposes during docking of the cleaning machine. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the uwant X100 floor cleaner looks really solid and modern in design. The version I got is the gray variant, which looks really clean and sleek. There are rose gold trims on the buttons and they look really cool and classy. It has a good size 600 ml wastewater tank, which can contain all your waste after your cleaning sessions. The 600 ml clean water tank is good sized too and can store clean water for your cleaning sessions. It has easily removable brush rolls. Just remove the lid off and remove the brush rolls for drying after cleaning sessions. Let's power the device up. As you saw, once powered on, the LED display turns on and releases a nice tone. The LED display has key details like battery percentage, power, and cleaning mode details. It has smart voice broadcast to let you know what is going on during your cleaning sessions. Cool. Press the setting button to switch between standard and turbo mode. Press the self-cleaning button at the center of the device to self-clean after your cleaning session. It has an electrical charging base as you see here, which can be easily set up without any screws. Connect the wire and place the robot on the dock to charge before use. While waiting, let's fill the clean water tank up with clean water. Now it's ready to roll. During use, it is easily maneuverable. The cleaning brush rolls are motorized and goes in the direction you want it to move to. Check out the suction power. It is very strong and powerful. In one go, it swept up this dry mess on my floors. It cleans wet messes like sauce stains on the floor easily too. It has intelligent dirt sensing which can detect the degree of contamination using infrared sensor and adjust the water volume and suction power accordingly. As you see, in one go, wet stubborn stains are removed easily from the floors of my room. Effortless cleaning. It fits under tight spaces like chairs and tables with ease. I can clean corners of a room without leaving any space unclean thanks to the dual brush rolls. It is now so easy to clean my floors with the uwant X100 Cordless Floor Cleaner. It has a good sized battery and can last up to 44 minutes of run time. It works on many types of flooring, like ceramic tiles and wooden floors, all of them cleaned perfectly. After use, I can simply place it on the dock and perform self-cleaning where it will remove and clean itself without me having to clean it manually. Awesome, let the process run.
Self-cleaning started. Pipe cleaning in progress.
With the patented smart hair cutting technology,
Roller brush cleaning in progress.
once ready, it will let the user know and I can simply empty the wastewater tank which is filled with all the filthy trash from cleaning my floors. A cool feature is that it automatically filters large particles and segregates them in another portion of the wastewater tank for ease of maintenance. Once the wastewater tank is emptied, simply place it back in the machine and remove the brush rolls for air drying. Overall, I find the uwant X100 all-in-one floor cleaning a good tool for me to clean my floors. It cleans up both wet and dry messes with ease. It has a good capacity battery for long run times. If you want to find out more about the uwant X100 floor cleaner, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.